Hi everyone. In this lesson, we will learn some important geometry elements, vocabulary that we're going to use when we solve geometry problems. The first one is point, then ray, line segment, and line. Let's start from a point. A point has no size or shape, it just has a position. Let's say we have this point and we name it point A. Usually in math, in geometry, we always call it as a point and it doesn't have any symbol or any notations. Next is ray. We're gonna draw the ray. Ray is like this. A ray is a portion of a line which has one end point and extends forever from the other side, one direction. Just one direction it can go. This side it stops. And the ray, we call it like this, ray. Let's name it A, B points. We make like this, A, B, and we put this ray sign on top of it. Whenever you see in geometry 2 points and this sign like an arrow, that means we are talking about the ray. For point, we just can say point A. Now we're going to talk about line segment. Again, we have 2 points. Let's note them, A and B. Line segment is just this part between 2 points. A line segment is a portion of a line that has 2 end points. We call A and B. And notation we write for a line segment is like A, B, on top of it just a line, this part, without any arrows or any dots. Line segment also can be like this. If we have 2 points and there must be arrows here, like it continues like a line, but with not this red part is our line segment. Out of these points we don't count. This just shows this way our line segment. Now we're going to talk about the line. A line is a straight path of points that has no beginning or ending. Any 2 points can make a line, and it can go both directions infinity. There are different types of lines. Lines can be parallel, like this way. Let's put the names also for line. For line we put like this. Let's say this is point A, point B. We go line A, B, on top of it like both directions of arrows. Lines can be line can be like, if we have two lines, they can be parallel to each other if they go both directions and never meet each other. We call it parallel. Parallel lines. If one line goes vertically and the other goes this way, and they meet each other and make exactly 90 degrees, we call this kind of lines perpendicular lines. Line can be intersecting because they are not parallel, not perpendicular, but they intersect together. So this kind of lines we call intersecting lines. Lines also can be curved lines like this, like parabola, hyperbola, and they can go both directions forever. So this is just to learn to understand the beginning, basic geometry. So in this case, we learned about points, ray, line, segment, and line. Also, I would like to mention that with ray, if we have this one end point and we make two rays, we can form an angle. So angle is formed from rays. In next lesson, we will learn about angles. Thank you for watching. Bye.